In this video, I will show you how to make a checkpoint on Roblox Studio. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Roblox Studio. The first thing you're going to want to make sure is that you've got your Explorer window open. To do this, come up to the top, press onto View and press onto Explorer, and you'll see that's going to open up the Explorer window on the right hand side. Now in the workspace, what you want to do is click onto the plus button next to workspace, and you want to create a new folder. What you can do is rename this. So what you want to do is right click onto it and click onto rename, and just go ahead and call this checkpoints. So once you've done that, what you want to do is add a part to the actual studio. So you can see this here, and this is going to be our checkpoint. So what you can do is, of course, make this how you want, however big you want. You can change colour and things like that, and this is going to be what your checkpoint's going to look like. Make sure this is in the checkpoints folder. If it's not, then just hold down the left mouse button and drag this into your checkpoints folder. Now what you want to do is rename this to checkpoint 1. So you just want to again right click onto it, click onto rename and just put 1 so we know this is our first checkpoint. Now what you can do is go ahead and make duplicate checkpoints just by holding down Control and pressing D on your keyboard. And of course you want to rename these to 1, 2, 3 and so on and so forth. So I've got 3 here I've created, 3 different checkpoints. So I'm just going to go ahead and rename these 1, 2 and 3. So now we've got our checkpoints, the next thing we're going to want to do is create a script for the checkpoint. So what you want to do is come to your Explorer window, click onto the plus button next to Server Script Service and go ahead and select script. Now what you can do is just go ahead and get rid of this initial script, and what you want to do is go ahead and copy this script from here. So if you want, you can pause the video at this point, and what you want to do is copy this as I've laid it out here, and you just want to go through and basically enter it exactly as I've done here. So it should be about 130 lines of script in total. After doing this, the next part is very important. What you're going to want to do is come up to the top and press onto File, and then go into the game settings and make sure you save this game to Roblox. Also in the game settings, make sure to go to the security tab and make sure to enable studio access to API services is also enabled. So once that's done, the final thing to do is save this to Roblox and then go ahead and publish to Roblox. Now if you do wish to test this out, make sure to join the game from the Roblox page, as it will not work on the Roblox Studio. And that is how to go ahead and make a checkpoint in Roblox Studio. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.